Kurumirira kuongerereka kwa namba ya atumia aria makoretwo makihuthira njira ya guthinjwo hari kuheo ciana mathibitari-ini hatari na gitumi kiiganu. Riu thirikari ni kumithitie njira ino ikiuga ikoretwo ikihuthika hari kuguna mathibitari kiumbe na arigitani kugerera marihi maria marihagwo ni kadi cia urigiti.
So professor has about 11,000.
Agikomithia ciiko ici uria urugamiriire ruhonge rwa kugiririria mirimu ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri ndagitari Peter Cherutich. Undu uyu ni utumite namba ya atumia aria marathinjwo makiheo ciana yongerereke makiria.
What we are doing now is engaging with KMA as a critical stakeholder in healthcare delivery in this country so that we can get their inputs. As we have discussed in this meeting, we will be very keen to incorporate the inputs of the Kenya Medical Association as we move towards our journey of universal health coverage within the next 5 years.
Akiregana na miario ya Cherutich, mwandiki munene kiama-ini kia aruti wira ruhonge rwa urigitani nikio KMA Lukoe Atwoli oigite ino ni miario itari na kiene kuona gutiri na wira muiganu wa kuonania njira ici ni irahuthika hari gutongia mathibitari mandu kiumbe.
Going to engage the Ministry of Health in order for us to understand specifically what expertise they are seeking to fill and where they are going to get this expertise from. At the moment, we haven't had this discussion with the Ministry of Health, so we do not know specifically what specialties they are seeking to fill. There is no country in the world that has enough medical specialists. We need more doctors in Kenya. We have doctors in Kenya who, at the moment, they are not engaged by government. We are hopeful that going forward, the government will engage those doctors as well and then analyze to say which gaps still exist in order for them to fill them with doctors from other places.
Ona kuhana uguo, arigitani ni moritio matige gutia mbeca makiria ma wira uria mehokeirwo ni muingi. Ngiripotera Kameme TV njitagwo Wangui mwari wa Gathugu.